In this video, we are going to show you some of the smartest using gadgets that help assist humans in daily life. As the world is moving towards smart and compact things, these gadgets are as smart as you think. They are easy to use and smart in size. Moreover, these gadgets reduce your work in seconds. They can be used for more than one task as they're capable of doing multiple tasks. These gadgets are available in different colors and various shapes to improve their look. With their smart size and attractive colors, they improve the overall look of your living area. They're small in size and very easy to use indeed when it comes to their use. People of every age group can take advantage of their use because of their unique ability of easy adaptation. Mostly, they can be used for cleansing, entertaining, and so many other activities. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. This is a smart lock made up of very fine materials. It can be used to lock your bicycles and other small things. This is a smart cartoon-shaped toothbrush holder. It can be fitted to your room as well as your child's room for attraction. This is a smart pig-shaped robot with the capability of movement and ringing. It provides entertainment to your child. This is a plastic-shaped mobile holder. It provides you a better view of your video streaming and gameplay. This is a dual rotatable fan system. It provides you the fresh air with 2 fans in the hot summer days and may be installed in your car dashboard. This is a small toy house that can provide your child with a source of entertainment. This house opens a door through which a cute dog shows his face. This is a beautiful butterfly-shaped handbag in which your small things can be fit in. It has a double pocket inside to hold many small things. This is a small car in the shape of a toy on which you can travel from one place to another inside your home or can be a source of entertainment for your child. This is a transparent polythene bag that can be used to put a lot of clothes, sheets, or maybe a blanket. It can be compressed to a small, even small size by pushing it by the compressor. This is a game station mounted on a small table. You can play games on it with its large display. This is a helicopter toy in which small stationary products are fitted. By opening it, you can have scissors, a rubber, and a stapler, etc. This is a setup for different ball games. With its beautiful design and color, you can have a small package of games. This is a mini camera with a beautiful strip attached to it. After clicking photos, you can tie in your neck to hold keys. This is a beautiful net-like structure to lay and have a picnic on the trees of a beach. It comes with a neck supporter to give you a good sleep. This is a toy in the shape of a roller coaster. It gives your child a healthy activity to play and entertain at the same time. This is a toy with 3 different configurations. It can be operated with a remote and give 3 toys at one single setup. This is a smart light system operated with a remote. It is used to light the surrounding of your LED. While watching, it gives an excellent view. This is a small flexible wrapper made up of plastic. It is used to throw waste in places like cars because it sticks to the walls of the dashboard. This is a small gadget in the form of a racket that lights up just by pushing the button. In a dark room, it gives an enormous view. This is a small toy in the shape of a dragon. On pushing from the bottom, it will open its mouth. This is a small battery to give useful light during the dark. It is charged by hand paddle, which makes it a very useful gadget. This is a playing dog toy. It is operated with the help of a small battery. Any disturbance by hand opens the mouth of the dog. This is a very useful setup mounted on the big water bottle. Water can be drawn from its small opening in a very smooth flow. This is a smart window scenery made up of fine mixture of cloth and plastic. Pulling its rope will open or close the window scenery. This is a foldable towel stand placed next to your shower. After having a shower, you can use a towel and place it in this foldable stand. This is a smart name writer in the form of a stick. By feeding information, you can write whatever you want just by sliding it. This is a small locker for the safety of your money. By submitting cash in it, you can simply draw money just by adding your password. This is a smart setup for charging, as well as your mouse controller to play games on your handset. It performs these 2 operations on a single system. This is a beautiful wooden rack to hold your many things. It can be your shoe rack, or maybe you can place your decoration pieces on it. This is a magical detergent to remove any kind of dust and mud from the net of your AC. It can remove thick, dirty mud in seconds. This is a colorful packing to hold your small belongings like smart cards. They can be placed in your handbag with ease. This small wooden structure will work for you as a small cupboard. It can hold a lot of things like cosmetics finely. These are small cartoon-shaped hooks to manage your ground wires. It manages your wires and avoids your connection from the wires. This is a beautiful glass keychain in which water is filled with a small toy inside. It gives a very fine look to your keychain. This is a small detergent compressor, which can be fitted on your bottle. By a small push, this compressor draws liquid from the bottle. This is a stand to hold your toothpaste and toothbrushes on the same setup. This is a flexible rubber grip to put under your sofa seat. It will give you additional comfort while sitting on the sofa. These are beautiful keychains in attractive colors. It helps to hold you a lot of keys in one setup. This is a small electronic fan, operated with a small wire connection. It can give you cool air during hot summer days. This is a small hand cutter to cut vegetables and fruits. Its easy grip helps to grip it in hands and cut vegetables and fruit easily. This is a small glass tray to hold any liquor material at any place. By putting liquor, it sticks to the surface as well. This is a floor cleaner with a brush to wash your basin and WC. It has also a stand that can hold these things, and it's a dual package in one setup. This is an electronic stain remover from your bed and sofa. You can also remove dirt and stains from your clothes. This is a flexible plastic hanger in which you can have your pressed clothes. This is an adhesive gripper to hold covers of chairs, sofa, and your bed. By applying it, covers stay at their desired position. This is not a simple scissor. It can perform 3 different tasks of cutting, removing, and pinching respectively. This is an electronic smoother to smooth the surface of your old and rough clothes, socks, and blankets. This is a beautiful mobile cover, just to improve the look and safety of your handset. It comes up with different designs and colors. This is a tray with 4 portions. You can place your 4 items at the same time on this tray, and then cover it with its cover. This is a beautiful cover that can be placed on your food table. With its enormous ability, waste can be removed from it just by rubbing with a cloth. This is a small box with a magical gel that can be used for the renewal of your old glasses, earrings, and so many other things. It removes dust and gives a new appearance. This is an electronic blower to clean the dust and particles from your car. It sucks the dust and cleans the surroundings.